The Tale of Two Parrots story. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, lived two parrots, Mittu and Chiku. One day, a hunter caught them and sold them to different masters. Mittu was taken to a kind sage where he learned sweet and wise words. Chiku, however, was taken to a rude man where he heard harsh and angry words every day. One day, a traveler passed by Chiku's house and was shocked to hear the parrot shout, "Go away, you fool!" Startled, he walked ahead and reached Mittu's place. There, Mittu greeted him kindly, saying, "Welcome, dear friend. May you have a blessed day." The traveler was amazed. He realized that both parrots were the same but had learned from their surroundings. Moral: our behavior reflects the company we keep. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.